Clap it up, guys.
You already know.
Actually, if you don't know what I'm talking about.
I'm off the grid. Got tats on my ribs. Tattoos on my ribs. I just tatted my kids.
Actually, let me introduce myself real quick. I'm ikingadrian, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna get into it. Nice suit. Adrian in the building. You know what I'm saying? If you know it's today, it's a lot of special days today. It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day. So where your mom at? You know what I'm saying? Where your mom? Nah, I was cool on it. At the end of the video though, we got today is the special thing is we hit 1K on the video. It's gonna be an icon. You can go still watch it, bro. Thank you guys for getting how many likes on it. You know what I'm saying? I was ecstatic, bro, when I found out I was, playing Apex, and I found out the news, you know what I'm saying, on my phone, and, keeping a little eye on the video, see, if it was going to hit it, so I can, give you guys your props, because this can never be, it can never be done. These milestones can never be, accomplished without you guys liking and, so watching the videos and subscribing and, doing all that stuff, watching it, liking it, sharing it, giving it to family members and just everybody, for friends and stuff. But this video, we're gonna get rid of some clothes. I'm trying to clean out my closet right now because I am a fashion man, but you gotta learn to just get rid of clothes and stuff like that. And I want to teach you guys. It's good to get rid of some clothes, bro, because, it's, what comes with clothes, it comes with a lot of space, and if, it comes with growing, getting taller, getting stronger, bigger, buffer, you know what I'm saying? You don't need to just get rid of clothes because you get, fat and stuff like that, you can just get rid of clothes because you are, that's not your style no more, you just... I was so 2016 or 2019 or 2020, you know what I'm saying? Just depends what you want to do. And I'm gonna pick some stuff out, so where I'm gonna pick the stuff that I think that I can't fit or that's not, something that I want to keep. And we're gonna go through there. I have a pile already ready of stuff that I don't want because I was wearing some clothes and then some of them didn't fit me, so we're gonna put them in. I'm gonna pick them out, put them in a pile, and then we're gonna try them again with you guys, and then we're gonna see if they don't fit or they just they not it, you know what I'm saying? So let me pick them out real quick. Here's the pile. It's not that big. Oh, don't mind this. The lotion. I got a plan of how I'm gonna do it. The jackets probably will go last, or I probably won't try them on because I remember some of these I can't even fit over my head. My head is super big, so we're just gonna see. We're gonna get into it, and it's gonna be fun for you guys. It's gonna be fun for me too, but I'm gonna be sweating. I live in a hot area, okay? It's summer. It's literally getting into summer and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get into it, man. Voiceover time, guys. Here's the outfit, more in depth. Guys, this is the first thing we're gonna get rid of. It doesn't fit on my waist and it kind of hurts in the crotch area, but never mind. Next item, this hoodie shirt thing does not fit over my head, so we're just gonna get rid of it. Too small. Champion, I do not know why I picked this fits really good, but I don't know. I'm probably just gonna get rid of it, give it to somebody that will like Champion more than me. We got some eye and speed pants. I mean shorts. I call these the speed shorts, cause he's known for that. But they don't fit me either. Too small on the waist. We got some more Champion. A shirt does not fit over my head, so this one would definitely I'm gonna give it away. This one, I was thinking already off rip to get rid of it when I put in the pile, but I tried it on to get a little bit more sentimental about it because I got this from my brother. If you don't notice, I have a big brother and he gave it to me, but I'm just gonna give it away, to somebody. So yeah, this is some Forever 21 pants. Do not fit, too small on the waist and kind of hurts in the crotch area. But next item is a hoodie. This one's like a Yeezy, inspired, hoodie. There's a story to this hoodie actually. I wore this when my nephew was born, and I, got to hold him with this hoodie on. But we're gonna get rid of it, sadly. Next hoodie. This one was like really famous back in the day when I was a freshman, bro. And got some freshman vibes of smelling. I think it was itching me on the head a little bit on the hoodie, but we gonna get rid of it. It's kind of like some ninja, Naruto vibes. Fire. What I'm saying. This is one of the first things that I wanted to get rid of. And I, came up with the idea to just make a video on this, and I could give away the clothes to my grandma, because she gives clothes to people that are my age or just any age, period. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, I got some clothes that I probably don't fit. I could show you, my viewers and stuff that I don't want anymore. Besides this blue shirt, my sister wants it, so shout out to her too. Let me get this to my sister, Paris. But I can give out the clothes for free, give clothes out for free to people my age or any age. It doesn't really matter, because I'm all about helping hand and stuff. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have a good Mother's Day today, everybody. Just have a fun Mother's Day. Get your mom. Hope you guys got something nice for your mom. But I love you guys. Thank you for all the support. I'm ikingadrian. Peace, love, join the fort.